Hey, and welcome to our community. This is a social media style platform where we share our makes, connect with other sewists, and use hashtags to explore patterns and materials. I'm Kate from Minerva, and I will be sure to link my personal profile down below so you can follow me here as well. I'm so glad you're joining us for today's video. We are going to be talking about cotton lawn, specifically this beautiful Lady McElroy Marlie Cotton Lawn print. This is a beautiful big bird print, very sophisticated print, I would say. Keep in mind that you can use hashtags to search fabrics and materials like this, as well as when you're on the product page, you can scroll down to see what others have made with this fabric. And don't forget to look into signing up for a Minerva Craft Club for constant savings. I also want to encourage you to hit the follow button above this video right beside our name. It means we're going to show up on your feed so you see all of our new content as it comes out and you don't miss anything. You can also like, save, and share this video if it's helpful for you. It's all free and it really helps us out, so thank you. And as always, make sure you leave any comments or questions down below so I can get back to you. So this 100% cotton fabric has this huge, beautiful, bold bird print on it that I think is just stunning. It's almost a mosaic type effect of the print, which I just love. It comes in 5 different colorways, so if this one with the magenta on it isn't something for you, check out the other options and I'm sure there will be something that you fall in love with. Cotton lawn is a fairly structured fabric, but it does soften over time as many cottons do. Fumeterre skirt with it, and I just think it is beautiful. I love that it is somewhat structured so that it does hold that A-line shape, but it's also not too stiff that I just look like a triangle. It is nice and somewhat drapey. I'm hesitant to say drapey, but it does flow nicely down the fabric. This is 100% cotton material and it is woven non-stretch fabric. The back of the fabric is white, undyed, so it's easy to tell front from back, and it is opaque. You cannot see through this fabric. Is a nice lighter weight cotton. It is not a super breezy like a double gauze or something like that, but it is nice and light, and it's not like a denim or something that you feel like is weighing down you. nice smooth hand, so you know that it's going to be comfortable to wear. Perfect for button-ups or a skirt like I showed you, or a casual pair of trousers. Thank you so much for watching, liking, sharing, saving, and for being part of this community. I cannot wait to see what you create. Happy making!